Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you love audiobooks but don't want to spend a lot of money, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to get Audible credits for free, and at the end, I'll also recommend a powerful tool to help you keep your audiobooks forever. Let's get started. First, the easiest way to get free Audible credits is by signing up for their free trial. If you're a new user, Audible offers a 30-day free trial with 1 free credit. That means you can choose any audiobook you want, even the most expensive ones, completely free. Sometimes, Audible also runs special promotions that give 2 free credits instead of 1, so always check their latest offers. To get started, just go to audible.com, sign in with your Amazon account, and activate the free trial. You can cancel anytime before the trial ends, and still keep the audiobook you redeemed. Next, here are a few more ways to get free Audible credits. Number 1. Promotions and special events. Number 2. Returning a book. Number 3. Referral programs. So make sure to keep an eye on Audible's emails and official promotions. Now here's something really important. Audible files are protected by DRM, so you can only play them inside the Audible app. If you want to keep your audiobooks forever and play them anywhere, I recommend ViWizard Audible Audiobooks Converter. It removes DRM and converts Audible audiobooks into MP3, M4B, WAV, FLAC, and more, while keeping original quality. Here's how to use ViWizard. Download and install the software. Open it and drag your AA or AAX files into the program. Choose your output format and adjust the settings. Click Convert and wait for it to finish. That's it. Now your audiobooks are DRM-free and playable on any device. So that's how you can get Audible credits for free and keep your audiobooks forever. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.